All right, the repair is done, and here is the monitor. Yeah, see, this monitor is wide. This is 34 inches curved monitor. All right, you can see it right there. Let me turn it off. When you turn off the monitor, it's off. Now turn it on, it's on, and here am I. Good. All right, HDMI 2. So the repair is done. All right. So here is a after. So that is Xiaomi curved monitor, right? It is 34 inches. It's very wide. So the repair is done. So if you have similar monitor, yeah, this curved monitor is expensive. It's over 600, there about 1,000 naira. So if you have yours that develop further as well, that all of a sudden turning on, not that the screen is broken, but all of a sudden notice that it's displaying in a funny way, as you've seen on the screen or in another format, but the screen is not broken. Yeah, you can send it over. Let me fix it. This curved monitor is susceptible to that kind of funny faults. Why? Because when I made the research, it actually the way it is curved is a mechanical pressure on the screen because it is curved. Hence, it's susceptible to all this kind of funny faults. Yeah. So if you have one that has such problem, just message me and I will look into it and see if it can work. Right. So the owner of this will be happy. But this is over half of a million. It's very expensive. Now it's back up pocket. The person will be happy. I'm very sure about that. So that is that. So if you don't want to express something like this, you can just get a monitor that is not curved. Although being that it is curved, it has its own advantage anyway. Right. So if you have one, just send it over. Let's look into it and fix it for you. All right. So that is that about Xiaomi 34 inches curved monitor.